Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Patricia and look at this glow today. Very glowy. This look is all about Jello glow. Last year I loved Jello's makeup that she did on her Versace Runway, wearing the very iconic jungle print dress, which I loved. Scott is our makeup artist, and Scott did a video with Tarte where he revealed all her makeup secrets. I already made a video on my YouTube channel following Scott's makeup steps. You can check that out. And I'm also wearing Versace jungle print today. I love Jello and she made this jungle print very iconic, so I wanted to recreate that look. So I tried to follow her makeup techniques to get this look, and if you want to see the transformation, then keep on watching. I will do my eyebrows first. So for eyebrows, I'm going to use my Urban Decay brow blade. My baby hairs. I like to draw the outline first and then I will make the hair strokes. And I saw that Jello had kind of feathery light eyebrows which matched her hair. Since I have very dark hair, so I will try to match my hair and my eyebrows. Now I'm going to use the inside to make hair strokes. The next product for my eyebrows would be this. This is Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Gel. I can use this as a brow gel or as a tint too because this has color and I love this. And Scott uses some shiny eyebrow product for Jello's eyebrows, so this is an amazing product for this look because this is not super matte. I will put a little bit in here. I saw that when Scott shared Jello's makeup routine with Tarte, he did the face makeup first and then eye makeup, but I like doing eye makeup first, that's why I'm doing it. Now I'm gonna carve out my eyebrows with my concealer. Now I'm gonna prime my eyes with my concealer. For eyes, I'm gonna use my Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, and I'm gonna use this color for my transition shade. This is henna, and I'm taking this color and I'm gonna create the cat eye vibe. I'm gonna use the same brush and use this color, sandalwood, which is light brown, and buff the edge. I'm gonna use this shade, Moon Dust, for this part of my eye. I'm taking my Sigma Detail Diffuse Crease Brush, which is E33, and defining my crease. Now, looking at Jello's picture, I think that these colors should be a little more golden. So I'm going to use this shimmer shade, Trust Fund from Huda's palette. And looking at her photo, I think that she used a little bit of liner, very thin liner, and pencil to the bottom. But I'm not gonna make a wing liner, I'm gonna make the tail short. Whenever I use this kind of pen eyeliner, over my shimmer shades. The shimmers are all over the brush tip. That's why I always like to keep a paper towel so that I can clean the tip and apply my liner properly. I'm using my L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. This is my favorite. Her lash looks really good. For my look, I'm gonna use Glamnetic Lashes in style Brat. I'm done with my eye makeup. For face, I'm gonna use Jello does her highlighting and contour first and then foundation. So for face, I'm gonna use my Tarte Shape Tape. I'm using my Sigma Concealer Blend Kabuki brush. And to contour my face, I will use my Huda Beauty Tantour. This is in shade medium. I am using Sigma Chisel Form Contour Brush. I need to contour my lips too. Let's wipe off my lip balm. For my lips and for my nose, I'm gonna use my Sigma Precision 4 HD brush. I'm looking weird, right? So now I wanna contour my lips. And this lip contour really works. I love this technique. I want to blend my contour a little bit. I'm taking a damp brush. I always like to blend out my contour with a damp brush because that really helps. I damp my brush with a setting spray. You can damp it with water or you can damp it with setting spray. And for foundation, I'm going to use my Huda Beauty foundation. This is in shade Macchiato. Jello uses two different shades for her face. Lighter foundation for center of her face and darker foundation for outer part of her face. Since this foundation is really dark, I'm using just one foundation. I'm going to use my small dual fiber brush and take the foundation. And Scott named this looks natural because this is snatched and natural. Now I'm gonna blend my nose contour, and for that I am using my Zoeva concealer brush. For blush, I'm gonna use my NARS stick and use this. I'm gonna highlight my under eye a little more, so I'm using my Maybelline Age Rewind. To set my face, I am using my Laura Mercier setting powder. And to bronze my face, I'm gonna use this shade from my ABH palette. Now I'm gonna take this brown shade from my ABH palette using this contour brush by Sigma. Now to contour my jaw, I'm gonna use my Sigma chisel brush and deep. Now it's time to highlight my face. I'm gonna use my Huda Beauty highlighter palette, and I'm gonna do what Scott does. He blends all the highlighters. And for my nose, I'm gonna take a smaller brush. For my lower lash line, I will use a black eye pencil. I'm taking the shade Henna again with a pencil brush and going over the black eyeliner. Now I'm gonna apply mascara to my lower lash line. I'm gonna wear a brown pencil first. And I'm gonna use my ABH liquid lipstick in shade Here Hollywood. And look at my lip job for free. And I am using my Cocoa Lip Gloss by Kylie Cosmetics. This is in shade Damn Gina. Ooh. Should I put more highlighter? Somebody said yes. And since this is a Jello glow look, of course I didn't forget my body. That's why what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wear my body lotion, and I'm gonna put a good amount of Liquid Glow by ABH. The runway look was so glossy. I mean, her entire body was so glowy. And look at this glow. So guys, this is the final look. I am in love with this look. This is so good. And it was really fun to do this look. This is very glowy, it's natural. I love her makeup techniques. Very nice, very natural, very snatched, and very pretty. So let me know in comments below, how do you like this transformation? I make videos on fashion and lifestyle, and if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the next video. Bye!